Ebonics. Demandez pourquoi je parle comme je suis intelligent. Est-ce qu'il est possible que je le fais rester pertinent? Peut-être pour l'enfer de celui-ci. Translation. Ask me why I speak like I'm unintelligent. Do I do it to stay relevant? Maybe for the hell of it. Why I could say numerous or beaucoup, but yet I choose to say hella shit? Yes, I can speak English. I proved I can speak French, but yet I revert to Ebonics, slang and makeshift phonics, cause it leaves a verbal impact, a linguistic gun, cause when I'm with my boys and I say that we mobbing that lifestyle for I have fallen, cause all I have to do to fit in is change how I'm talking. But to be shallow, but to be honest, I go to it when they say I'm not black enough. It's not even about acting tough. I just know that when the light skin don't show it, that attitude will back it up. Nigga, that's what's up. Think like this. I can speak like I listen to classical, but rap is more practical when I intend to portray the fake rather than the actual, when I try to make it seem like it all comes natural, but it never works. You catch it first. Braxton, that ain't you. Well, listen to this verse and tell me what the hell can I do. Cause when I talked to Tasha, Toya, and Unique, I thought there's a certain kind of flow that you need. Same with Stephanie, Sarah, and Hillary. I portrayed a certain kind of ability. You know, a killer thing. Ain't nothing real a thing. Cause we all know the ladies would love Braxton Tiller. Ask me why I speak like I'm uneducated. Do I do it to fit into the mold the world created? Maybe I just like to sound hella faded. Why is it that not the right but the reckless get praises? Yes, I fucking hate it. But I decided to change myself rather than to change it. Rather than switch minds, I decided to switch disguise. So as I spit disappointed and angry, I can only point the finger when I look in the mirror, staring in my own eyes. Here's what the fact is. I did it because I went from a place where I was black-ish to a place where they don't even know what black is. You're not black, they would say. Well, how is it I'm never the color, yet I'm always on the blacklist? Ask me why I speak like I lack all forms of class. Do I do it because those types of guys always get the ass? Maybe just a tad, because I know that only the real niggas get them first, and the not black boys get them last. It's just honesty. Yes, it bothers me, but I like to think about the fact that I'm living the life society portrayed for me rather than live my life honorably. I crack the jokes about absent fathers, nappy-headed daughters. I make them first. I push the envelope just a little bit farther, because if I already say the racist, terrible things they're thinking, then I presume they couldn't make me feel any worse than they do when they clutch their purse. Then when I hear the car door lock, when I'm walking home at night and they cross the street when I stroll down the block. It's so obvious. In this place, it's always easier to succeed when you don't secede. When you don't believe the things the dreams etched into their constitution, you just lay down and sleep and believe deceit. It's funny because they expect me to believe in them, but they don't even believe in me.